What is DoSelect MCQ? Enter your login and password on your EduBridge website. On completion of all the modules, the XLAT Assessment tab will get activated on your learner portal. Click on the Start DoSelect Assessment tab. When you click on the tab, system will take you to the DoSelect portal. Now, you can see the time allocated to this assessment and the number of questions it contains. Read all the instructions carefully. When you scroll down, you will find FAQs and Start Assignment tab. Click on Start Assignment tab. Now, you can see instructions related to proctored settings. Read these instructions carefully and then click on Next. In this setting, you need to enable the camera settings in your system to give this assignment. Then, the system will ask you to take your screenshot to verify your image. Once you get the message of successful verification of image, you click on the Next tab. Now, you can see the declaration that you have allowed yourself to be impersonated by any person for the purpose of this assignment. Now, accept this declaration and click on the Agree and Continue tab. You will land on a page of questions to solve. Click on Solve to see the questions. If you navigate or toggle between the tabs, then you will get the reminder from the DoSelect that your assignment can be terminated after 4 warnings. When you click on Solve tab, you can see questions and 4 options for each question. You have to select one right solution from the 4 given options. Completed questions will appear in green color in the left-hand side panel. After completing all the questions, you can click on the submission page to submit your assignment. Now, you can see all the attempted questions. If you rest assured that you want to submit the assignment, then click on Finish and submit the assignment. Are you sure? Tab will appear. It will give brief summary of how much time is still left and how many questions you have attempted. If you want to revisit your questions, click on Cancel and check all your questions. And if you do not want to make any changes in your answers, then click on Submit and end the assignment. After submission of the assignment, the feedback page will appear to rate your experience with DoSelect Portal. Click on Send Feedback and view the assignment report. The assignment report gives you a detailed report where you can see your marks, the number of questions attempted, the number of questions that are right or wrong, and how much time you have spent on this assignment. You can also see which questions went wrong in your assignment. Thank you for watching the video.